In this video, we show some internet resources that provide two types of interactive listening activities, games and songs. The website ESL Lab has resources to help students listen for specific details. In the example, the audio is an interview between a man and a young boy. The teacher instructs students to listen for specific details about what the boy will take to school. After listening, the students respond to 5 questions. For example, one of the questions asks about the items that Joshua did not take to school. This listening for details activity helps students with bottom-up listening skills by preparing them to hear and learn specific vocabulary. Then they are ready to play 2 games on the ESL Lab website. The first game is called Label Diagram. Learners play by matching the label to the picture with the target vocabulary. The second game is called Missing Word, a cloze activity where the learners drag and drop words into a text from a word bank. Both games are useful for providing interactive practice with the vocabulary students were introduced to in the listening activity. Other websites contain resources for interactive listening through songs. Songs can be popular songs, traditional songs, or even songs made specifically for educational purposes. For example, to provide more listening practice with the school theme, the website songsforteaching.com has helpful songs like We Make New Arrivals Welcome Here. To teach this song for interactive listening, the teacher could introduce the song by displaying the title and having the students guess what it is about, and then pre-teach new vocabulary and phrases. While listening, the students could first listen to find out the gist or main idea of the song. For the second listening, the teacher could pass out cards with a smiley face, a frowny face, and a neutral face. Students can then listen for how a new student might feel in a new school, showing the correct card for each line of the song. These cards can also be taped to pencils to make fun signs to hold up while the students sing the song. Traditional American songs and lesson plans for their use are available to teachers on the American English website. These traditional American children's songs give students the opportunity to engage with American culture through listening, singing, and learning. The lesson plans offer additional information about the songs and ideas for their use in the classroom. Access to listening materials throughout the internet has transformed how listening is taught to young learners throughout the world. The websites such as the ones we've shown connect learners to spoken English read-aloud stories, educational videos, games, and songs. By choosing age, grade, and level-appropriate materials, teachers can engage students in interesting and fun activities that help improve their English listening abilities.